Tatiana. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning behind the fridge and on top of the fridge and on the sides. I only do this once a year, so let's get going. It's January. Step number one is remove anything from the top of your fridge so when you pull it out, it doesn't fall on top of your head. As you can see, this is a built-in fridge. I don't have anything on top, so we're good there. But I do have things on the front of the fridge. I'm gonna remove everything just so that when I'm moving it, things don't come falling down and get in the way. Now there are sides right here that I can pull the fridge out, but if one part of the door opens up, it's going to smash my hand. So I'm actually gonna put on gloves to make my hands a little tougher. These are the thickest gloves that I have. The other cleaning gloves I have are really thin, so I don't think they're gonna make much of a difference. So here we go with the gardening gloves. And I'm going to pull this out. Or pull this side of the, oh, that works better. So I'm just pulling this side of the fridge. I'm gonna pull this side. Looks like it's pulling too much on that side. Oh God, this is not easy, okay? Let me put the camera back. Okay, now there is a cord behind there, so I'm just gonna take this out so I can completely take out this fridge and clean all around it. Let's go check it out first to see what kind of dirt we have behind there. After not pulling this out for a year, I'm gonna say not bad. Let's check the top of the fridge. Ooh, that looks pretty dusty. Let me just, ooh, dusty, dusty. Looks pretty dusty too. Maybe I can show you here. Ooh, it's just coming off like that. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get my vacuum. Now, if you have a step stool, it would be best to get up on top of the fridge. I don't have a step stool, so I'm going to use my chair, which could be dangerous, so just, you know, be careful. Okay, so let's go behind the fridge and see what kind of dirt we have back there. I'm gonna use my vacuum and get as much of the dust out first before I start wiping and getting my rags all dirty. It'll just make my rags, you know, last a little bit longer if I can get some of that dust. So I'm gonna use an attachment here with the brush to get the dust, and I'm gonna put it on high so that I can get as much as possible. Wow, that is really dirty. Now that that's all dusted, I'm going to wipe the top of the fridge. I'm gonna put my gloves on, so I'm all ready to tackle behind and on top of the fridge. So with my rag, I'm going to fold it into 4 so that there's 4 sides. 1, 2, and then I can use this side, 3, 4. Spray the rag. Wipe it down once, and then I'm going to buff it dry. Okay, now I'm going to clean the back of the fridge. into the fridge. Okay, now I have my all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to spray my rag and clean. Okay, and then I'm going to use the dry side and buff it dry. So now I'm going to use a clean rag and spray it. And I'm going to start from the top and work my way down. And then I'm going to use the dry side and buff it dry. Okay, now we're going to clean the other side. We're going to start with the vacuum. To flip this over and use the dry side to buff it dry. Now we're inside here and I'm going to start from the top and then work my way down, cleaning from left to right, top to bottom, so I don't miss anything. So I'm going to spray a few times and just wipe everything. Okay, now look at that. That was pretty dirty, so I'm going to wipe it again with the clean side here. It's also dirty again. So, but let's try it one more time. Okay. Am I okay with this? Okay, still coming out a lot. You know, if you wanted it like perfectly clean, then probably try a steam cleaner, but I'm not gonna go that crazy. All right, now that we've done that, we can push it back in. Plug. The plug is a little dirty. I'm gonna, there, just clean the plug. There, nice clean plug. Plug it in. There we go. Fridge is working. Now I'm gonna push the rest in. Okay, so there you have it, a clean fridge behind, on the sides, on top, and under. We haven't gone inside yet, but I will keep that for another video. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell too to be notified of the very next video. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.